So this is product matching instructions, and what we're going to do, we just read through the instructions, which are saying that this is a text collection project where we work to determine if a specific product variant can be found amongst a list of customer inputs. A total goal of product matching is to identify identical product variants. An identical product variant means that a customer will not know the difference if he or she bought either choice. Okay. So what this thing means is that maybe if you go to the shop to buy something, if you go to the shop to buy, maybe you went to buy a khaki dress, or a khaki trouser. Let me say, for example, a khaki trouser for men, a blue khaki trouser for men, size 30. If you go to the shop, and you'll find you find maybe you find other khaki trousers, which are maybe the color is different from the one that you wanted, or the size is different from the one that you wanted, you know. So it's like you're going to pick the exact thing that you went to buy. If you went for size 30 blue khaki, you will buy size 30 blue khaki, and not size 20 blue khaki or size 30 red khaki, you know. So what if you read through the instructions well, you will get that we will use text attributes first. We don't use the IDs first. We use text attributes. For example, if you find that the 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 the, the task product has got both size and color, that is enough. That is just enough. You don't go through the IDs. If you gotten the color and the size, that is just enough. For example, let us go to the task and do some as I show you. Okay, it's loading. Come on, network. So this is our task. Let us zoom. Let us zoom it in like this. So like here, you can see that the product variant. Let me use the pen here. As you can see, we have got both the color. You see, color and size. We have got color and size here. Color is plum, and then size is ML. So those are just enough. If you've gotten size and color, that is just enough to do comparison, unless you find that maybe there is only color and there is no size. But now that we've gotten both the color and size, that is enough to do comparison. So let us go like this. So we're going to find the same color, which is plum, and the same size, which is ML, in this customer input. Let us scroll it to the right like this. As you can see, the size here is SM, and the color is plum. Color is plum, but size is SM, which doesn't match. The size is SM, but the size here in the product product variant is ML, which is very different. ML and SL are not matching. So if you find that any of them, any of the two, color and size, any of them is not matching, then there is no match. So here the color we've gotten, color is just correct. It is plum in the customer input here, but for ML, for size, it is not ML, it is SL. So it's very different. So there is no match for that. So here we come and say, we press that. I was not able to find an exact match for this product variant, and then you submit like this. There's no need of going to the ID, comparing IDs. If you have got the size and color, that is just enough. Just compare those. And for size, there are different ways in which they abbreviate them. So like here, product variant, we have silver and large. We have color as silver, and then size we have got large. So let us check the customer inputs if the color which is silver and the size which is large are there. If one of them or all of them are not matching, then it is not matching. They have to match. If they match, that is just correct. We don't have to go to the IDs. As I said, color and size are just enough, unless the color and size are not there. But because we have the color and size, so we're going to check it there at the end. So like you can see, we have silver and small. Silver as the color and small size. But here the size is large, so it is not matching at all. It is not matching. So also, if you don't find, like if you check here, if you are checking here and you didn't find the color and size, the column for color and size, then that is no problem. You can always scroll to the left here and see if you can find them here in the options here. You can see the options here. If you don't find that data in the columns, you can come to the options and find color, silver, and size and all that. So like I've said, the color is matching, but size is not matching. The size for the PV, the product variant, is large, but on the task, on the task here it is small, so they are not matching. We just say it is not matching. We click here, you see, and then we submit. Just easy as such. Unless there's no size and color, that is when you can check the IDs. So let us do this task also. This one, as you can see, the customer inputs are about many. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. They are from A to F. So let's see the product variant here. We have got size, which is L stroke XL. L means large, then XL means extra large. If you see the word X in size, if you see the word X, the letter X in size, it means extra. So like for example, from the smallest to the largest, let me count from the smallest to the largest sizes. I mean in sizes, we have got extra small, which is annotated or abbreviated as XXS. Extra small, then followed by extra small, then followed by small, then followed by medium, then followed by large, then followed by extra large, then followed by extra large. So X here means extra. So like here we have got size, but the color, they're not showing us the color here, So unless we go to the options here, if we can find the color, yeah, the color they have written here. As you can see, they have white color and size L stroke XL. So let us check that. Let us first check the color. Color is white, okay? So let's go down here and check these options. The options which you can see here. Which one, or let's go with the size. It's a bit easier. Let's go with the size. So like here, up here, the size was L stroke XL. Let us see which one has got L stroke XL. Here, there is none. L stroke XL. L stroke XL. Yeah, it is there, the last one. It is here, the last one. L stroke XL. So we've already found a matching size, but we've not found a matching color. Let us see if this color, if this size, if the same color which is white, which we found in the one here. As you can see, color was white, then size was L stroke XL. We've already found a product which has got L stroke XL. Let us see if it is white. If it is not white, then we mark it as not matching. So here L stroke XL. Let us see the color. The color here they're saying is white. Okay, I hope you will be able to see this. Color is white. Color is white, and the LXL is matching. So we're going to choose it. We're going to choose it and say it is matching. It is choice F. So we come here, we unmark that, then we say F. F is matching. So we don't have to look at the IDs and all that. If we gotten size and what size and color. So on the next task here, let me see, the network is a bit slow, but let us just go on, and I hope this video will help you. So here we have got this product variant. It is black. As you can see, the color is black. Yeah, as you can see here, the color is black, and there's no data for what, for size. There's no data for size, but as you can see here in the ID1, there is something here they've written that it is one size. It is something, maybe it is a product that doesn't have size. It is size for everyone, so it is just one size. So if you've gotten, if meaning if you've gotten that the name of this product is the same, provided the name is the same and it is the same color, then it is just matching. It is the same thing. It doesn't have to, it doesn't have a color, a size data for it. So it is just matching. If you found that the name, like the title here is written radar 6 feet adjustable webbing banjee, which is black, boat dock tie. So if you come here and you see the customer input here, you find that the title for this is, the title is the same thing. Yeah, so we will just compare the color and call it a day. So like we've seen, the color is here black. The color is black, and that is just enough. You don't have to go to all those other things. We'll just mark A because it is matching. It is matching with that customer input choice A, and we submit. And so let me do this one, the last one, then we call it a day. Here it is a task which has got about 1 2 3 4 5 customer inputs. So let's see the product variant. The product variant is saying color is gray and the size is L/XL. That is just enough for us to do comparison. Let's find a customer input here. The choices from A to F, which has got gray and L/XL. Let us start with the first one, the A. Let's see if it's gray. It's both gray and L/XL. Gray. Let's see the color. Color here we have black and white. Gray is here, but the size is not matching. Okay, EV, middle, gray. So as you can see, we have got customer inputs choices here which are gray, which have got the same color, which is gray, but its size is not matching. So it is not okay. Like I said before, this thing is just easy. If you are going to the shop to buy a color, to buy maybe a khaki, let me just use the word khaki, the product khaki trouser, which you are going to buy from the shop, or you are sent by somebody that go and buy for me a khaki trouser which is gray, and the size must be L/XL. So if you go to the shop, let me say for example, and the shopkeeper gives you this product which is gray, because you asked him a gray and the X/XL size. He gives you a gray one. Like for this one, as you can see in this task, we have a gray. The shopkeeper gives you a gray khaki, but the size is not the size which you wanted, so it is not matching. Even if you go to the IDs, it is not matching. There is no match for that. So we are going to say that I did not find an exact match for the product variant, and then you submit. Just like that. Just compare the size and color only. And like I said, you can choose from the options. Okay, let it load, then I show you something. If you're not able to find the columns for the match for the color and size, you can go to the options. Like here, you scroll to the left, then you see the options here. Options. Let me use a pen to mark it. The options here are showing everything which you should compare. Color, which is basil color, and size is L. Color is basil and size is L. So that is what you're going to compare. So like here in this customer input, you can see that the color is matching. It is basil. So you can see the way I'm marking it red. The color is matching. It is basil, okay, but the size is not. Size is small. But there in our option here, we were told that size should be L, should be large. But what we found is a basil color with a small size, so it is not matching at all. So here we just say that there is no match, because it is only one option here. There is no match, so we just click up there. I was not able to find the correct product variant, and you submit, and then you are just through. So that is how to do it, and I hope you will enjoy tasking